What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Pretty Percent. That's spelled Pretty with a percent sign. I'm hungry, guys. Yet again, I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to make something really good today. That's steak. Juicy steak. That's what I'm making. So come along and watch me cook up something good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. All right, we're in the kitchen cooking with Pretty Percent. Come along and watch me do my work. I'm just gonna bake some steak. I'm gonna cook it on the stove first. Here's the steak. One big juicy piece of steak. It's a ribeye steak, actually. I've already washed it. Wash my hands. Hey, you always gotta wash your hands first. But I washed the steak, I rinsed it off some, and then I pat it dry with a napkin. I have some seasonings that I'm gonna be using. Here are my seasonings. The brown gravy is gonna be made for the gravy when I sizzle it on top of the onions. Then I have some steak seasoning and black pepper, minced garlic, garlic powder, and onion powder. That's all you need to make a juicy, nice piece of steak when you're hungry. All right, I'm gonna season the steak. First, I like to put a little minced garlic on it. Just pour a little on there. Rubbing it all over. I'm gonna put garlic powder all over it. Make sure I get it on both sides. A little black pepper, both sides. And the steak seasoning. Oh yeah, don't be scared to put this on. Both sides. Rub it in good. Gonna put my onion powder on it. Can't forget that. It looks good already. Kind of want to bite right into it. I have some olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. And I have it on the stove, warming up. It's not ready yet. Make sure you preheat your oven to 375. Because after I brown it on each side for about 5 minutes each, I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Let's go ahead and saute our onions while that grease gets hot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this nice juicy steak in the pan so it can cook on both sides. Ooh, it's sizzling, oh yeah. Let that cook about 5 minutes on that side, then I'll flip it over. All right, give me about 5 minutes. Flip it over. Simmer about 5 minutes on that side. All right, we're gonna transfer this steak into the glass dish. It's been about 5 minutes. I browned it on each side just to make sure. Yep. Put it in there. All right, I'm just gonna make sure I got a little seasonings on it right. Put a little onions on it. I have olive oil in there. Put a little on top. This steak is gonna be juicy, you hear me? We're gonna put it in the oven. We'll cover it up with aluminum foil. The reason I like to saute the steak on the stove for about 5 minutes on each side and then put it in the oven on 375 for about 20 minutes, it's because it makes it more juicier. The flavor gets all in it real good. I was taught that, and I hope I'm doing it right because I already know it's gonna taste good, but that's what I like to do. And I made some sides to go with it. It's just a little small dinner for the weekend for me. I can't wait to taste it. I'm gonna saute the onions, and I cut them up nice. I have olive oil in here and butter. You don't want that on too high because the steak is cooking for about 20 minutes. This is my little chopper. I put the mushrooms in. Let's put it on. Press this little button at the top. Chop it up. Hey, get in there. Okay. Pour that in. This that I'm doing is sauteing, and I'm actually making gravy with the gravy pack. Looks good so far. Okay, I'm going to add the brown gravy mix with a cup of water, a half teaspoon of flour, make sure you measure it because that's all I have left in this flour. Cup of water and stir it up. Gonna make a nice gravy over my steak. Now I just need some potatoes. My favorite dish would be a juicy steak, T-bone steak, ribeye steak, any kind of steak. Make sure it's juicy. All right, I just got it out of the oven. Had it in there for about 20 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Looks good to me. You don't have to take my word for it. I have an official taste tester. Tell them what you think about my ribeye steak.
This is good, Pretty Percent.
All right, guys, that's my special juicy steak that I like to saute, and then I like to finish it off in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. Put that gravy on top and knock yourself out. Make sure you comment below and like and share my video. Let me know if you ever made any juicy steak and tell me your techniques that you like to use. And please, please share this video. Until next time, cooking in the kitchen with Pretty Percent.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from my rainbows.